Hello, my name is Utkarsha and I am from R+B Filter. R+B Filter is a German subsidiary company and we are manufacturer of air filter cartridges. We are using 3D printers since 4 years and recently we have buy Pratham 5.0. So talking about the quality, you can see the uh, this quality. This is the dual extruder and this is the printing PLA material. Talking about the products, you can see this quality of the component. This is the PLA Pro. We are using for this customization. So we are using this printer for the customization, prototyping, and talking about the service. The service department really helpful, and each and every day they give us support online and offline as well. And talking about the machine, we are very satisfied this company and the product. Thank you.